Well, we have a bit of a change of plans today. The weather's turned a little colder than I expected. So we are heading over to put a load of stuff in the freeze dryer, and then we are going to pull the tomatoes today. It's really chilly and we don't want to risk it anymore, so we're going to do that. So Chris has just turned the harvest right on. It has to initialize for 15 minutes. And after that, you close this vent. Okay, so now we press continue. There we go. Back tomorrow. Well, as you can see, it's getting downright nasty out. The wind is really blowing. It's pretty chilly. Going to be a lot of compost too, which is good. Yeah. I guess we'll get them and go get more boxes, eh? Well, unfortunately, I only got 7 of those flat boxes. It's just enough to do those 13 big plants, and we still have about 40 Roma plants to do. I can put these 2 into one box, so I'll have, one box. I didn't realize we had these 2, so we've got 3 flats, but they're a lot smaller, so we're hoping we can get quite a few of those into these 3 flats. Otherwise, we got to go looking for more boxes in the shipping container or something. gonna leave this till tomorrow to sweep up, but that sure made short work of that, having some friends drop by. All I have to do is pull the spinach. I'll get the pods off of here for my seeds tomorrow. Sweep this up, and I think I'll pull the beans too, and then that is done. Garden is done for 2024. Oh, wait a minute, I forgot that one. Ugh. Chickens are all starting to congregate near the coop. It's almost bedtime. They're having a heyday. The weather just doesn't bother them. And look at the compost, it's heaped right to the top of the skids. Okay, I am done for today, but I will have to get these laid out in trays or boxes. These are a little too thick too. Look at that one, nice ripe one. This is more of a plum tomato. I think this might be a San Marzano. I'm not sure. I'll have to check with my seeds, because I mean you can see the difference with how plump and round those are compared to these ones. So I don't know which one is the San Marzano, this one or this one, because I planted quite a few different ones. But I guess it depends which is the meatiest. It's not really going to matter. They're all going in together. I'm going to put, these are more of a slicing tomato, but I'm putting everything through the mill, and it'll all get made into spaghetti sauce, tomato sauce, pizza sauce, and salsa. So I want to get some salsa made this year. I ran out of salsa one day. My camera's fogging up because of the humidity in here. I used up some of my salsa from a jar, and then I went and got a little bit of the store-bought stuff, and oh my goodness, it was just like the salt just hit me. You know, I never noticed it before, but when I went from my salsa to the store-bought stuff, boy oh boy did I ever notice the salt. So, and mine was not hot, but just a little bit, which I like. I don't like hot stuff. So anyway, we are done for today. It's so beautiful and calm and warm in here. Camera's still fogged up a bit, but we're done for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, and share this video with your family and friends. We'll see you next time.